MyCom OSI's 5G Rollout Accelerator Solution, which is part of the Telco Transformation Solutions. Let's get straight into it. The first thing I want to demonstrate is new site detection and acceptance. You can see here on the top the accepted or rejected status of a particular cell in the network. That is based on a number of different tests that get run on that cell. It is also detected automatically once it's booted up inside of the network, which is really important for extremely dense 5G networks with macro cells, microcells, and picocells, for instance. So that's how the detection and acceptance really going to help to speed up the rollout 5G networks, where you don't have to go through so much manual effort in that work. Then, once you're live, you have a set of golden parameter templates. Each of your 5G network elements or cells is going to display discrepancies against the template as time goes on, as it becomes used by devices in the network. So what this does is the parameter order checks on a regular basis for significant discrepancies within a cell, a network element against that golden template, and then automates the reconfiguration of those parameters back to what's in the golden template. Over there, you can see an example of an executed automation action. And here you can see the result of that execution. So that's the parameter auditing and automated configuration use case. Now, we go to the performance management of the 5G network. We have the worst class, worst cell analyzer, and the worst cluster analyzer as examples, which are, basically, health indices, that are combinations of different performance KPIs to describe the performance of your 5G network. Lots of different KPIs are involved in building that health index, and each of our customers actually tends to have a slightly different way of emphasis on the health indices they use. Once you've got that health index at a high level, you then drill down into regional and then sub-regional. And finally, all the way down into cell level that really helps your network and service operations centers to pinpoint problems that need to be fixed as priority, and to get rid of all the noise that's happening, and focus on what's really important. Finally, I would like to show you the use of AWS Amazon, where we have a fairly regular or fairly normal report scheduling system, the difference being that the reports that we schedule get loaded into an Amazon S3 bucket on a regular basis, so that other parties that have access to that S3 bucket can access those reports, but not the systems that generate those reports. That's really important in the context of multi-party agreements or regulatory requirements that require regular access to data about the performance of a particular CSPS network. If you'd like to get in contact, please do, and we'll take you into much more depth into how the whole solution works. Thank you very much.